Hello all, welcome to Quickly Learn. In this video, we are going to talk about Microsoft Cloud exam tips and dumps. If you are planning to prepare for the Microsoft Cloud and want to clear the exam, sure shot. So Quickly Learn will help you for that. All you need to do is get in touch with us on a WhatsApp. This is our number, and you can email us also on a quicklylearn@gmail.com. If you are a fresher and want to learn the Microsoft related technologies, mainly nowadays, in Microsoft Azure, a lot of services are available. So free training is available by Microsoft. This is the link to access the training. So this is just for reference purpose. Like if you want to uh, go through the AZ104 training, that is free of cost, available on a Microsoft website. Same for the AZ204, free training is available. So nowadays no need to join any training center to get the knowledge. Everything is available on internet, and from laptop you can do that one. However, if your goal is to get the job in IT, you're looking for a job guarantee program, then Quickly Learn will help you to get the job. We run the job guarantee programs, okay, and our placement ratio is 100%. So for that one also, same thing, you have to message us on WhatsApp or you can email us, okay. uh, if you want to do practice, then from the Azure you get the free tier, and over there you can try all the services available on a Microsoft Azure site. About this 100% passing guarantee support, uh, we support we give support to all Microsoft exams. Exam vouchers are also available with us. uh, just giving you some codes here, like AZ900, AZ104, 204, TP203, DP100, AI900. If you're looking to pass these exams, get in touch with us. um, all basic to advanced level exams we give support. There are basically two ways to pass the exam. First is self-study, and second is with our support. Challenge with the self-study is, what you learn in the uh, practical, in books, in exams, totally different questions we get. So passing becomes very difficult. And in interview, nobody asks you the question related to the exams. Okay, so real time questions you get in the interview. So with our support, you can pass the exam 100%, and you'll be saving a lot of money, a lot of energy, a lot of time. Okay, so be smart and messages. Other than Microsoft, all these certifications uh, we can help you to clear. Cisco certification, AWS certification, ITIL, VMware, then you see IBM certifications, CISA, then project management professionals. Um, so all these exams related terms we have, and exam clearance tips also we can give. And again, this is the last slide. So all you need to do to clear the exam, WhatsApp us on this number, and email on quicklylearn@gmail.com. Happy learning journey from our end. Thank you.